Hey everyone, it's Photochu from AirGuy, and today we're back with a brand new video where we're going to test all the products that Kiwi Design sent me for reviews. Let's go, here we go. Feel free to let me know if you have any questions in the comments. All the links will be over there and in the description. Feel free to check it out. I'll leave you with the video. All the products you're going to see are super comfortable and come from Kiwi Design. With the code FUTACHU, you can get a 10% discount. So feel free to go take a look. My website is in the description. There are plenty of codes on other sites too. Don't hesitate.